injury bandage for minor burns. Use a triangular bandage. Fold an inch of the base of the bandage. Put the bandage on the victim's head, just above the eyebrow. Cross both ends of the bandage at the back of the head with the tip of the bandage at the bottom. Then bandage to the forehead. Tie a knot. Tuck and loose the end. Now, gently pull the tip of the bandage and fold and tuck.